Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can easily do the batch payment in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is click on business menu and then go to purchase overview. When you're here, you're gonna see bills here, and here you're gonna see awaiting payment. Now when you're here, you get like the bills that you want to pay, right? Like this one here, and this one here, right? When you got it, you want to click batch payment. You have selected 3 items to pay. Okay. And now payment date, bank account, details, and then you just simply click make payments. And this is how you can simply make the batch payment in Xero. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments. I don't know if this is going to work. This is demo account, so at least, yes, you can export the batch file and send the remittance advice emails. That's like what you can do. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.